Programming for Engineers, BEB 25103. Mini project task to design a computer system titled Shopper Cash Machine System in Australian dollar using the Python. Technology used in this assignment is the Python. Python is a programming language that can be used for various non-web development tasks. It can be used to develop complex programming techniques. It focuses on code readability and its object-oriented approach aims to help developers write clear and logical code. Python has a lot of advantages. Australia's capital is Canberra and its largest city is Sydney. The Australian dollar is the country's official currency. Coins are available in denomination of 5, 10, 20, 50, as well as $1 and $2 cents. Advantages of the system. This shopper cash machine allows the user to select and purchase the item that they are desire, as well receive a transaction receipt. The system is very useful and important because it is a very convenient for the user by allowing them to perform transaction quickly and accurately. It provides 24-hour service. It is also possible to reduce the need for a manpower because all transactions are processed in the computerized system.
So this is our Python coding. So for the mini project, group 5 LO3. So I'm Anis Norain. So I'm going to explain about the display. So here's the display of the company shopping mart. We put the print and then open close bracket. We insert the welcome to Anis Ayu Niza Mart Sdn Bhd. And then the display we put please enter to continue. And then asking the customer how much money they wish to enter. We put all the 5 cent, 10 cent, 20 cent, 50 cent, 100 and 100 cent, 200 cent. So we put the number of 5 cent, how many 5 cent would you like to insert, and then must put in positive number only. So we repeat for the 10 cent, 20 cent, 50 cent, $100 cent, $1 cent, $2 cent, and then we calculate the total that they have entered. So this is the list of the item, the price list. So we have Coke 100 cent, Sprite 50 cent, Mountain Dew 200 cent, and Fanta 40 cent for each. So Ahmad Sharul, we continue with the quantity of item.
The quantity of item and the total price for each item. Total code, input quantity of Coke and repeat it, total Sprite, total Mountain Dew, total Fanta. After that, calculate total item and price. Total equal to total Coke plus total Sprite plus total Mountain Dew and total Fanta. Asking customer regarding the payment. It has three condition. First, if customer make a perfect payment, input enter the number of coins, payment in coins, print customer balance, print perfect payments. Display customer receipt and press enter to continue. Print sales receipt and address, hours of working, telephone number, invoice number, time, and then print total Coke, quantity of Coke, quantity of Sprite, quantity of Mountain Dew, and quantity of Fanta, and total item. After that, total price, payment in coins, and customer's balance. Second condition is customer pay not enough money. Need to key in back the money And two condition here, customer give enough money. Enter the number of coins and payment in coins. After that print customer balance, perfect payment. The receipt was the same as the uh, enough money and overpayment. After that, the third condition is customer make overpayment. Print overpayment. After that, print customer balance. And then last condition, customer overpayment. Please input press enter to continue and print customer balance. And then print quantity of Coke and print quantity of Sprite, quantity of Mountain Dew and print quantity of Fanta. That total item, total price, payment in coins, customer balance. Thank you. After this, I will pass to Ahmad Niza to explain about display.
Okay, so when we already run the program, so here are some the display or the output that will come out from the program. First thing first, the print welcome to Anis Ayu Niza Smart Sendian Berhad, and then after that, the display will ask us to please press enter to continue. Then after we press enter, it will ask us on how many 5 cent would you like to insert. So here we insert 100, and after that for 10 cent we also insert 100, for 20 cent also 100, 50 cent also 100, $1 cent also 100, and $2 cent also 100. So after we insert all the amount of cents, the program will calculate and will give us the total amount of the coin that we insert. And then after that, the program will display the list of item. First, Coke for 100 cents, Sprite for 50 cents, Mountain Dew for 200 cents, Fanta for 40 cents. And then after that, the program will ask us how many quantity that we want. So for the first condition is we insert 20 quantities of Coke, which is 2000 cents. For Sprite, also 20 quantities of Sprite, which costs 1000 cents. 20 quantity of Mountain Dew, which costs 40,000 cents. 20 quantity of Fanta, which costs 800 cents. So total item display is 80 and total price is 43,800 cents. For the first condition, the customer will make a underpayment. First, the customer will enter 38,500. So the program will display not enough money. So the program will ask the customer to add another payment, which is 5,300 cents. So after the customer enter the balance, which is 5,300, the the system will calculate back and it will display a perfect payment. And then after we press enter to continue, the system will print out the sale receipt, which is for perfect payment. And then next condition is for overpayment. Okay, the amount of cents enter is same as above, but for the quantity of item, the Coke for 10 quantity of Coke is 1000 cents. For 10 quantity of Sprite is 500 cents. For 10 quantity of Mountain Dew is 20,000 cents. For 10 quantity of Fanta is 400 cents. So total item is 40 and total price is 21,900. And then after that, the customer will enter 38,500, which is uh, the system will display an overpayment. And after that, the program will also calculate and display the balance for the customer, which is 16,600. Okay, then after that, when we press enter, the program will display the receipt for overpayment, which is also including the balance, which is 16,600 cents. And then that's all from us. Thank you.